is an update on the Cascade hops. We're just letting them run wild this year. They're all tangled up there. There's about 10 vines per pole wrapped around each other. I don't expect too big of a harvest, but you got a ton of hops in the freezer anyway. And then over there we got another vine coming up, 2 vines coming up, and tomatoes on the deck. And we got some tomatoes down here just starting to flower. I'll take you over to the other part where I'll show you the rest of the tomatoes. Then we have like 18 plum tomatoes along this row here. They're just starting to come in and flowering. Some plants have a little tomato on. That one down there has one. They're coming in nice. Huh. Now that's something I never seen before. That looks like a blight. Oh, my wife put cinnamon out here and garlic. Make sure there's no rats. So that's what that is. And the grapes are coming in fantastic too, so we'll see what we get off of that this year. So yeah, a total of 52 tomato plants. Oh, we got some nice ones coming in here, see them? Tomatoes are growing nice already. Beautiful. And this one we got some plums. You can see the plum tomatoes. These are the earliest we ever got them going. Look at this. We sprinkle them down with some garlic and cinnamon to hope to keep the animals away. But there's tomatoes coming in like crazy. Here's a little tomato right here. Some plums on this one. Wow. They're growing nice. Over here we got some, oh, I forget what this is again. Cucumbers. And once again, some more tomatoes. Absolutely crazy in the buckets. 52. 52 tomato plants. All over the place. Including some down here by the deck. So yeah, we got a lot going. Why wouldn't we? There's the hops again. Beautiful day.